Hi, my name is Milo Anderson. Starting off by showing you my notification settings. I've added my cell phone so that I receive some of my notifications via text, and I've modified some of the notifications that I do want and some of the notifications that I don't. From there, I'll jump right into my course that I created, my sample course. Here's my homepage using the UEN recommended style guide with course title, welcome message, welcome video, course schedule, some important information, some instructor information, and a very consistent and clean design. Then I'll jump into my announcement. I just made a really simple welcome announcement. Then I'll point out my modules. Quick, very simple modular design, following the UEN style guide, and using text headers, indentation, naming convention, and emoji, and style and organization. Also point out my navigation pane is really simple as well for students to use. Jumping into my introduce yourself prompt, discussion prompt for students, using the 3C plus Q method, and allowing threaded replies, and users must post before seeing replies. Moving right along, I'm going to talk about the fact that I added a video, some content to a Canvas video, TED Talks video, Julian Treasure, How to Speak so that people want to listen. I felt like that made sense for a Speech 101 class. So going back into modules, I created a quiz based off of that video utilizing the five different types, not the five different types of questions: multiple choice, true, false, multiple answer, fill in the blank, and matching. So there's that. Moving back up to modules to show you my student response to video assignment, which is a text box entry assignment and utilizes a rubric. Going back into modules, I'm going to show you the back end of where I have my students tell me their 3 informative speech topics to use, and utilizing an LTI, external resource. See if I can show that to you in student view very quickly. This is what that looks like from the student side, if it loads up in time. And yeah, that's what the students will see, where they get to tell me what I want to see from them as far as what speech ideas they have. Going back to my dashboard, going back to Final 7. Oh, I'm just going back to my dashboard here. I want to show you that I also installed a course or downloaded a course from another professor in the Commons, UEN. Here it is. So I think that about wraps it up. Thanks for watching.